everyone, I'm Lakshya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. As you all know, Rakhi is coming. So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and pretty Rakhi. So let's begin. Material required: wool, any color that you like, needle with wool, and needle with normal stitching thread white color, tape, big beads, smaller beads, scissors. Let's begin. First we need to take 12 strands of wool. Tie it with the same color. Next take a piece of tape and fix it. Fix the wool on the table. Like this. Next, you have to make 3 parts. Each one should have 4 strings. Next, braid. Here you go. Now take another piece of string from the wool and tie. Now you will take and cut it. This one. Now roll the braided rope. It became a pretty rose. Stitch it. It became a rose. Here I stitched. Now stitch your bead in the middle using the same thread. Here you go. Now take the woolen thread and needle and take the smaller beads and place it 6 of them. Now make it little far. Take the rose and stitch it like this. In the center like this. Now place the beads on the side like before. Now cut the extra thread. The Rakhi is ready. Isn't it pretty and easy to make? So friends, this Raksha Bandhan, use homemade Rakhi of your own and tie it to your brother and make him so proud and take extra gift for your effort. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, like and share my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.